It's Friday, May 15. I'd like to share some thoughts about Front Page Daily. We're diving into some recent Seoul Economic Daily reporting today to unpack this really massive contradiction currently gripping the South Korean economy.
Right. It's a fascinating tension to look at because on one hand, you have this historic global optimism.
Yeah, which is basically acting as a complete smokescreen for some pretty severe structural fractures at home.
The optimism definitely starts at the macro level, though. I mean, the 135-minute Beijing summit between President Trump and President Xi Jinping gave the Korean market exactly what it needed.
Right, the agreement to keep the Strait of Hormuz open.
Exactly. That ensures a stable flow of Middle Eastern oil, which is, the absolute lifeblood for Korea's heavy industries.
You can really see that geopolitical relief echoing across the major cable, those massive family-controlled conglomerates that dominate the economy.
Absolutely.
Because they're so heavily exposed to U.S.-China trade friction. A pause in hostility feels like this ultimate pressure release valve for them, a green light for growth.
It does, though if you consider Xi's really blunt warnings regarding Taiwan during that same summit, it feels a lot more like a temporary ceasefire than any kind of permanent geopolitical fix.
Right. But, the domestic market isn't exactly pricing in temporary, is it?
No, not at all. The KOSPI is just riding this massive wave of euphoria. It hit an